This session covers another piece of AI functionality, relationship and key discovery. What you see here is metadata imported from a source system with no relationships between tables. This is often the case when we import a batch of flat files, and the same goes for source systems that were never built with foreign key constraints in the first place. So the first job is to discover those relationships. Go to Ask AI and select Discover Keys and Relationships. I'm unticking business keys and primary keys because the primary keys have already been populated from the source system. Relationships are the only thing I care about here. Then I run the discovery. The AI skill analyzes the columns across the tables and recommends relationships. When the analysis finishes, you get a breakdown of every relationship it identified. Some will be right and some won't, which is exactly why the review step matters. Take the first suggestion. It proposes a relationship between the position and Bestelling table. The German names come from the Willibald sample, in case you were wondering. Alongside the recommendation, you get the rationale behind it and a confidence score. If you read it and agree with the assessment, you accept it and move on. I won't work through every suggestion, since you review and approve them one at a time. I do want to show you one the AI got wrong. I left it in deliberately before we refine the skill and give the AI more instruction. Here the rationale says the column appears to be the delivery address, which is why it proposes the relationship. Notice that it scored the suggestion low. The real relationship for that column runs to the address table further down, the grayed out one. Let me untick the wrong suggestion. Now I can dismiss it entirely, which means the relationship never gets created. We will improve the skill, but the dismissal is always available to you as the modeler. That's the whole loop. Read the rationale, accept or dismiss each suggestion, then let the tool create the relationships for you. Will it catch every relationship in a complex source? Not always. What it does reliably is strip out a large share of the manual work. This is where AI earns its place in your modeling and analysis process. It does the grunt work. In a traditional modeling tool, finding every relationship by hand and dragging each one into the model can burn hours, and nobody signed up to spend their week that way. That is what the AI native framework inside DeltaVault delivers to you. Less time spent reconstructing what the source system should have told you, and more time delivering the solution. Thank you for watching.